beer, cheese, beer cheese. Two great things come together. Eat this. Eat this. Yum. So what I'm going to show you how to do is a beer cheese sauce / dip. You can use it either way. It's going to be really easy to make. It's going to be really tasty. If you want to use it as a dip, you can make the pretzel buns that are also going to go along with this and dip them in there, right there. But before I get started, you got to stick around. This is a 3-step process. The pretzel buns that I made are going to utilize this sauce to make a mind-blowing sandwich that is going to be so tasty. So make sure you check out the pretzel buns, check out this video, and stay tuned for my next video that is going to build the sandwich all together. For the sauce, all we have to do is make a roux, which is equal parts butter and flour mixed up. We're going to add some beer, milk, some seasonings, and cheese, and we're going to make a really tasty cheese sauce. Start off with about 3 tablespoons of butter. Get that melted in your pan. Once your butter's melted, we want to add in the same amount of flour and whisk it really good while you're putting it in there. So 3 tablespoons of flour to our 3 tablespoons of butter. It's going to start to thicken up on you. It's going to look about like that. Make sure whatever kind of beer you use, it's a beer you like. Don't do any of those common things that are, $9.99 a 12-pack. Make sure it's something you like. I'm going to use about 1/4 of it. Pour it in, continue to whisk, and the rest is yours to drink. Once that's mixed up and thickened up good, we're going to slowly pour in 1 cup of milk and keep whisking. Once we've gone with that for a little bit and it's nice and thick, we're going to start adding our seasonings. You can do whatever kind of seasonings you want, depending on what kind of flavor. I'm going to do about a teaspoon of salt, stir it up. Going to do some black pepper. Going to do some garlic powder. I'm going to do a dash of cayenne pepper, just for a little bit of spice. For a little smoky flavor, I'm going to do some liquid smoke. Not much. If you don't have liquid smoke, you could use a Worcestershire sauce if you'd like. If you don't have a Worcestershire sauce, you don't have to do any of it. You could do like a Dijon mustard if you like that kind of flavor. Got all that mixed up. Now we're going to add about 3 cups of shredded cheese. Shredded it myself. If you want to buy the pre-shredded kind, that's up to you. Use your favorite kind of cheese. I'm going to use a Jack cheese because that's what I want to do. But if you use the shredded cheese, it's coated with something or other in order to keep it from sticking together in the package. So I would suggest buying a block and shredding it yourself. Just going to do a handful at a time. Mix it in there. I'm going to get rid of the whisk at this point. There is our cheese sauce, dip, whatever you choose to do with it. So for our taste test, I'm going to use some of Grandma's homemade tortilla chips with our warm, yummy cheese sauce. Now don't forget, this can be used as a dip. It can be used as a sauce for sandwiches. Ultimately, this is part 2 of what you need to come back for to see this amazing creation of a sandwich that is going to blow your mind. It's going to be incredible. So this is our beer cheese sauce, and I thank you for watching. If you like what we're doing, make sure you subscribe, hit the little enable notifications bell, like it, share it, comment. Love to hear from you. Eat this. The pretzels, the pretzel buns. If you make regular pretzels or pretzel sticks, great for dipping. Have a good night. Be good people.